Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the error code. There were problems installing some updates, but we'll try again later. If you keep seeing this and want to search the web or contact support for information, this may help. Followed by error code 0x8007042c. The dependency service or group failed to start. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in Troubleshoot. Best match should come back with Troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then underneath Options, select Other Troubleshooters. And then underneath Most Frequent, select the Windows Update Troubleshooter and then the Run button. And then once that's done, go ahead and close out of here. Open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Right click on it and select Run as Administrator. If you receive the user account control prompt, select Yes. And into this elevated command line window, type in SFC followed by a space /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once it's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. And now, if you check for updates, hopefully your problem has been resolved. If you check for updates or if this issue pertained to your Windows Firewall, hopefully the problem has been resolved. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.